Hey, find my phone.
Looking for your iPhone. It's nearby. Bringing your iPhone now.
Here is Ecobee's new flagship model, Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Ecobee launched two different versions of this thermostat. One is a Smart Thermostat Premium and the other one is Smart Thermostat Enhanced. The premium ones comes with a sleek zinc body while the enhanced build with a plastic body. There is a built-in speaker for the Ecobee Premium and there is no built-in mic or speaker comes with the enhanced model. There is a built-in Amazon Alexa or Apple Siri on this device, but there is no built-in voice assistant in the enhanced model. And one additional indoor air quality meter built in with the Smart Premium. And also there is an additional smart sensor comes with this package. This one is a premium that comes with an additional sensor. And let's check the Openbox and other features. There's a Smart Thermostat Premium, bigger than the previous version. And here is the additional sensor. There are the labels for your wiring connection. There is a quick installation menu. There is a thermostat mounting plate and power extender kit, and this is very helpful if you don't have any power supply or C wire wired to your existing thermostat. And you can use it if you don't have any power supply to a thermostat, and the trim place is up to you if you want to install it. And there is a detachable stand for smart sensor. And finally, an adjustive wall mount for your smart sensor. The new flagship premium model comes with a nice zinc body and expanded LCD display. The premium thermostat has 4-inch touchscreen LCD display with a 540 by 540 pixels resolution. There are 4 sensors included in this thermostat, one for the temperatures and another one for the humidity. The thermostat can detect the occupancy at your home and automatically adjust your air conditioner. And also there is an additional proximity sensor. On the back of this smart premium thermostat there comes 2 mics placed at the bottom of this thermostat, and there is an additional speaker for responding to your Siri or Amazon Alexa commands. The connectivity supports dual Wi-Fi, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The additional sensor can be used to control the thermostat based on a location temperature or the average temperature of both the sensor and the internal sensor of the thermostat. I'm going to replace my Nest thermostat and install this Ecobee thermostat. The installation process is simple and you can get a walkthrough step-by-step instruction through the Ecobee app. Both models will come with a 4-inch large display with 540 pixels resolution, and it is pretty big enough and you can easily read from the distance. Since this is a touch screen, you can change the heat or cool settings right from the active screen. By default, the screen will stay in a standby mode, and if it detects any motion, it will switch from the standby to an active screen. The standby will active after a time delay, and it will show you the outside temperature, inside temperature, and the current time. You can access the weather directly from the active screen. Just tap on the icon here and you get a current day weather forecast and additional 4 days weather forecast right from the screen. From the main screen there are a couple of additional icons where you can access the weather information, indoor air quality which shows you VOC and CO2 reading, and you can have the Siri voice control button right from the active screen itself. And here is an additional button that you can access the complete menu of this device. The Ecobee Premium comes with Amazon Alexa or Siri voice control. You can use one at a time, and if you want to switch from Siri to Amazon Alexa, you would integrate your thermostat with your Amazon Alexa using your phone. If you want to use Siri, you must have a HomePod or HomePod Mini connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The built-in speaker dedicated to respond to your voice command, and you can ask your calendar appointments.
You have more than 24 upcoming appointments. Here are the first 3.
Weather information.
It might rain in the afternoon starting at 2 p.m. tomorrow, with rain continuing into the evening.
Or ask the thermostat to change the settings.
Okay, Cooling to 76 degrees Fahrenheit.
And even I tried to find my watch. Find my watch.
It's nearby. Pinging your Apple Watch now.
Or find my iPhone commands.
Looking for your iPhone. It's nearby. Pinging your iPhone now.
If you switch to Alexa, you can use the voice controls to control any other smart home devices. Alexa, did I close my front door? What's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Orlando, there will be lots of clouds and thunderstorms, with a high of 90 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 73 degrees.
Even you can ask Alexa to ring your phone if you misplace your phone at your home. Alexa, where is my phone?
Do you want me to call your phone now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm calling your phone now.
Since the Premium has a built-in speaker, you can use for Bluetooth streaming, play music, or play your Spotify playlist. In addition to that, you can have hand-free calling, or you can do an intercom from a HomePod mini placed in a different room. It's a message to Ecobee Thermostat. For HomeKit users, it's good news for them. The additional sensors like motion detection and occupancy sensors are exposed for HomeKit users, but for Alexa and Google Assistant, I see only the temperature changing option while you are using with the routines or other smart home automations. The Ecobee app is pretty powerful and you can do everything that you do on your device right from your Ecobee app. And in addition to that, you can have a web interface. You can directly log into your Ecobee account and you can access this Thermostat Premium and do the changes or settings right from your PC. So the conclusion is that the Premium has a large display and supports all smart home platforms. This thermostat is for you if you are planning to switch from a traditional thermostat to a smart thermostat. If you are a Nest thermostat user and if you want to get an integration with a HomeKit, you can consider to upgrade to this thermostat. And always you have two choices, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium and the enhanced one if you have a tight budget. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you like this video. And if you have any additional questions, please comment below. And thank you for watching the video and we will come back with another one soon.